On this layover in Oslo, I asked ChatGPT to create a walking gastronomic tour. I did encounter some issues with the plan it gave me. First, I had to go back and set the budget to a total of $100. Then I had to make sure all the places were open on Sundays. I also changed it to the neighborhood of Grünerløkka because using the broader Oslo wasn't turning out to be a walkable result. Our first stop was for coffee at Tim Wendelboe. Founded by the world champion barista, this coffee shop also roasts its own coffee. The line was continuously out the door. Out of all the drinks our group ordered, I think the cold cappuccino was the best. The foam was silky smooth. It was fantastic. I got the anisetta, which was supposed to be like an iced coffee with star anise syrup, but I didn't really taste the anise. The cold Kenya had kind of a kombucha-y taste, and Classic Deb got the classic latte.
On to our next stop.
We continued our journey, taking in the beautiful sights of the river. Our next stop was Matthallen Oslo. I've been there many times before. It's a great option for groups because there's such a variety of choices. I was craving ice cream, so I stopped by the local ice cream chain, Paradis. They had a special flavor that day, caramel popcorn with milk chocolate swirls. It was amazing. We also tried the stewed chicken sandwich at Stange and the butter chicken at Simply Tasty. A little further down the river was our next stop, Blue. This is a great place to enjoy a beer by the river. We also learned from our new friend Jacob that there is a band that has played at Blue every Sunday for the past 25 years. So next time, I'd make it the end of the tour since they don't go on till 8:45. On Sundays, there's also a flea market right outside, but you need to have cash. We continued our journey down the river, taking in all the sights, until we made it to our dinner destination, Delicatessen Grünerløkka. Now I don't know why ChatGPT chose this place. Maybe it was the budget restraint. The food and service was very good, but I can't justify paying $40 to $50 for tapas. We really needed a heavier meal at this point, and we were still hungry after the tour. Our final stop was by far my favorite.
Schouskjelleren Mikrobryggeri.
When you walk down the stairs, you feel like you're being transported back in time. This underground bar has been around since 1827. In its current incarnation, it's a microbrewery too. They also have a few local selections of meat. However, they do not serve food. But Jacob, the bartender, was full of suggestions. We'll see if the humans list was better than the robots next time.
Skål. Skål.
Yeah.
Right here.
Too late. Skål.